comments and let me know where you're watching from, where you're from and so forth, yeah. And send your greetings and so forth, you see, yeah man. Respect to each and every one, you see. You copy that to me, some people, yeah man. So it was a good feeling to know, so boy, yeah, the 500 subscriber come up, and we give thanks to everybody who participate and support, and who no participate and who no support. We don't know where we wait and ready for subscribe, we can subscribe. We give thanks to that same way, Zane. Yeah man, so that was a good joy and really happy moment. You see me people, yeah man. So right now, our local Jamaica island where we love so much, boy, I may tell you. It's so blessed, it's so blessed, it's so blessed people. I wonder if you know how blessed your island is. You see me? I wonder if people know how blessed your island is and if you know so boy, yeah. If you just live good as one and know so boy, yeah. We just miss, we just live good. Cause it is always good. You see it? Yeah. See me the people? Yeah man. Cha cha. So there, there, and I go and wallet. Yeah. Just like that. You copy me I say? Mm. And phone me I use right now, see me people. Me they even turn me shall turn it over to me, but you may see me say run an hour on the live and just know so boy, yeah. Give thanks and praise and welcome and thank the people them, my subscriber them. See, if we reach 500 subscribers. Really, that was one of my greatest pain with the storm that was coming to Jamaica and so forth. You see. So my people, my Jamaican friend, if you're alright, I don't even know alright for the storm where you come. Cause we don't know for night storm, but they will know for night at this time when it comes to people. Trust me, But Jamaica are there and it's not about this time where they can come in to make people know, So boy, yes, in Jamaica where it is and if everything alright and so forth. So where they the people, yeah man. So it's just a wonderful look, If you know so boy, yeah, the people them up and running and can come on the live and know so boy, yeah. But we know it's part, watching the live from. Yeah. If you're in Jamaica, but we know all this time will affect if the storm affecting you. You see, although the storm now don't really come or tell me what you think about the storm. You see, if you're in Jamaica, right I know, the people, you see. Yeah. So good. Welcome to my live. Welcome. Where you watching from? Yeah, man. You can just comment and make me know where you're watching from. And if you're in Jamaica, or you understand the rain that we have so far, you see, we could know what go on. You see? Because right now over there, I'm just go and relax and eat and watch you go on. You see? I don't know. Jamaica, we say, you see? Yeah, so let me know what go on with people. You see? If you're in abroad, if you're there abroad, you can make me know what go on. Saying if you have Jamaica connection and so forth, or you feel about the storm so far towards Jamaica. See, make we know what going with people. See, yeah man. And big up to all of you, my subscriber. Big up my subscriber. Big up my subscriber. Love you, my subscriber. You can pay 500 and going. Respect. Thank you. You see me people, yeah man. Cha. Can't say no more than say boy, thank you. God no. It's a pleasure. You see? Yeah, man. So, there, my people. Mm. I hope everybody all right still. And nobody have nothing to fret about this time. You see it? And nobody don't live in no prone area right now. Gully or nothing for no wash or nothing of them things. You see it? Yeah, man. So, I hope everybody all right. You can't pay? People, yeah, man. One love every time. You see it? Yeah, man. I love yourself. You see it? Yeah, man. Yes to my viewers and all my viewers them. Join me live, big up on yourself, respect every time again. Yes, same idea, yeah. But they don't know what go on if it rain still a fall and so forth. But I don't know I can't go out there with my phone to really run the live out there and my people can't see what go on out the rain because I don't know the rain is in and the place dark and also I don't know the things that my people, cha. But anyway, we give thanks still for everything. We appreciate all of the people who enjoy their lives.